Yes, this is about part 5 or part 6 of this video. Again, the car communication computer is up. We purchased a new CC, a triple C car communication computer. This is it right here with a DVD for navigation purpose and CD player here. Want a CD player to test it, but so far I think the air tool is picking up radio station. The time is being measured, and everything is working on the CID display. The car communication computer is working, but I don't know if the amplifier in the back is giving any output to what we want. We want some radio now, navigation, voice instructions, and units, mile, US gallon. Distant miles, pressure, PSI, temperature. Time on date, what time now? 4:09, correct? I'm gonna test this thing. Yeah, 4:09. That thing right, shit. So when you what time they give you to get back your laptop?
Should be here tomorrow. You know what it is. Come by FedEx.
Okay.
I'm trying to see if I can see if there's a back door to go in to turn the radio on, but I don't see anything here.
Navigation DVD. I have a navigation file now, but I have to burn them on a special CD. I have a navigation file I could put in this, but I have I would need to get there. Well, I have the file on my computer. I can burn it on a disc, and again, it's a risk I'm taking. So, can I not get the CD itself from the dealership?
You gotta buy it. It's $300. I went through this already.
Bumblecly, it shit.
Yes, I ain't making joke.
So you're gonna leave that in the hand of the owner, right?
I'll talk to him and see what he says. I don't think he's too excited about the navigation, but
Okay. What he needs is radio.
yeah, he wants the radio.
Where this come from, sir? Where this come?
Behind the glove box.
Okay.
In the back of the glove box.
Okay. And there goes the tree ring here. You can put these up.
Yeah, just leave them.
I don't wait to forget them. Just remember I give you them. That's it. As I'm gonna buy 3 or 4 of them for myself. Just wanna get back to the house and have some money and paper so I can deal with that.
They're not expensive. $20-something a piece.
Where you buy it? Where should you get it?
BMW.
Dealership? Okay.
Vesta BMW. I buy a lot of parts from them.
Yeah.
But this things have changed. Like I got somebody in Audi that I know real good.
Yeah.
So you gotta have friends because you can't give it any information. They get catch them giving out information or doing anything, they get fucking fired in the spot. So they don't play games no more.
Yeah. You guys are wicked.
Now the dealership, like key coding and stuff like that.
Yeah.
They don't give you no information. You hook it up to the thing.
Yeah.
And the computer just go through 1, 2, 3. You don't see shit.
Yeah.
Again, very strict with that shit now.
Alright, I'm gonna use this to D on it again. I'm gonna plug this to D to it and check
let me
amplifier.
just finish this here quick and see.
Oh, alright, no problem.
Let's do one more test and let's see.
Yeah, no,
everything checks good, but yet we don't have any sound.
Yeah, without the sound, yeah. These can stay right at the front because you see, don't know where that good buying the friggin' motor. Watch it out.
Open that fucking out, that fight, another fucking $1,000. I gotta have a fucking heart attack when I call him. He was on the phone just now. He's like, Stuart, the thing is, this time I get rid of this piece of shit car. This car's cost me lots of money. Yeah.
How much you want it for?
Well, the book value for this car is $13,500 right now. He said I'll take 12, but still.
No man, this is a what, 8-year-old car?
10-year-old.
Oh yeah. No, 9-year-old.
Yeah, but
9. Next year be 10. Yeah, you got so much money. This? You ain't bought the warranty yet with it. You have to buy a warranty for it, right?
if he had warranty with it, but the warranty's done.
Yeah, I know that's why I say I have to buy a warranty for it because warranty.
I did a lot of work to this car. A lot of work to this car.
This?
The vertical top went bad. I fixed that twice. 2 different problems.
With this?
Oh yeah. The motor never went bad. I replaced a couple sensors and stuff in it.
Yeah.
But I've replaced a couple of motors in one of them.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to screw the gas properly because the screw needs to be tightened properly. Then
Okay,
that's the old
just
gas
finish
right
this
there.
here and then we're done.
Yeah, and I'm going to put up this cowl up on there and let's stay right here. You cannot test the audio here. You test it
As I was trying to check that in the man, let me see.
Ready on it again.
Alright. You want to check the amplifier, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna check it with this thing.
Everything to CCC, everything is perfect. There's no problem there.
Yeah.
So, the screen lights up, but the radio don't play. Now I had the same problem before,
Yeah.
and I had to go in and go through the CCC and code everything. And once I coded, the radio started playing. I'll try it again later and see what happens. I don't know.
Yeah.
Look at that. Power to the Honda. Just a pulley. Pulley set, yeah. Yeah, one pulley.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to.
Alright.
I have CD here on. Hey, it's true, I find some CD.
Huh?
I find CD and stuff.
You did? Alright.
Good try.